All right, so what we got going on this week? Monday, you're going to read and watch this article. It's super short, and there's two little videos here, so I'll just open it up. So about electricity, just like generally speaking, some overview points. And you watch this video is like 5 minutes, and this video is like 1 minute. Okay, so it'll take you about 10 minutes, and then you'll come back to class, and we're going to take notes on understanding light and electricity and basically how chemistry explains those things. Wednesday, you're going to watch how the first 5 minutes and 15 seconds of this video, how batteries work. You can have it open split screen while you're taking this how batteries work quiz. Every question is in order from the video, explaining how batteries, electrical potential creates current. And then there's a simple electricity video you're going to got here. You're going to download this electromagnetic spectrum lab or flame test lab. And this video is a pre-lab, and then video 2 is the actual lab. So you'll need both of those to fill out the lab, and you'll re-upload, and then we are done for the week. All right, guys. Love you. Appreciate you. Talk to you soon.